Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're watching me, hi, I am Bhavna. I create lifestyle, beauty, fashion and random vlogs on this channel. It would be great if you can just stick around till the end of the video and watch my other videos as well. If you like it, make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And so as you read by the title, I'm going to be showing you 5 such lipstick combinations that are going to be amazing for this coming festive season, or if you have any event or any party to attend to and you are thinking what lip color should I wear except red, then this video is for you. Okay, then let's get started with the video. Back in the 90s, when there is a party, an event or festive season, there's always a red coming into the picture. Like red lip is the only go-to color at that time. We did not have so much variations of colors, and the maximum is the browns that our mothers used to wear, right? Don't get me wrong, reds are beautiful. I love reds, but trust me, not everyone can pull off red on every attire, right? Red is not everyone's cup of tea. I mean, I can't pull it off every time I wear red because firstly, it gets on my teeth. Second, it's not easy to maintain the red lip because as soon as you eat, your lip color shows up. Even though you have a transfer proof, kiss proof, or whatever, whenever it fades away, your lip color shows up and it doesn't look that good, right? I did include one red lip, which I really like it, and it's very comfortable on the lips as well. That's what I feel. So, except that, I have more of pinks, browns, mauve, and everything. So let me start with my first one, okay? Every lipstick that I'm going to show you, I'm going to pair it with a lip liner as well, and everything would be linked in the description below. Don't worry on that. I think lip liner adds a lot of definition to your lips, especially people like me who have very thin lips. I'll throw a picture of how my original lips look, how tiny they are. Like my upper lip is very small than my lower lip. So, and this is how it looks with the lip liner and the lipstick together. Sure, that's why I would like to show it with a lip liner. First red lipstick combination that I have is this. So the lip liner is from Sephora. This is their the gel lip liner collection, I believe. This is in the shade, yeah, this is in the shade 12, the red. Of course, they did not find any other name. I think they just made the job easier and they were like, the red is fine, right? So yeah, this is the red lip liner. This is how it looks from the inside. It's very soft, okay? Like it's like very soft on your lips, glides on your lips very easily, and the color is more of, I would say, orangish red. It's not blue tone red, if you ask me. It's more of an orangish red, and these kind of reds are amazing in the festive season. And to pair it with that, I have this K by Katrina's lipstick. This is an Indian brand, an Indian actor, Katrina Kaif. This is her brand. This is their shade On Screen. So very bright red color you can imagine. And this formulation, oh my god, it is so soft, it is so buttery. Just see for yourself. Just look at it. Sorry for the swatch. I swatched it very badly. 1 second. It's so soft on your lips that it just glides like butter. So velvety finish. If you know, if you don't have this lipstick, because this is only available in India right now, replace this with Max Ruby Woo. That is also similar to this, but I think that red color is more of like more on the darker side. It does not have that orange hint as this has. So yeah, I think this combination is really good. I add in a gloss, red gloss, then I think you're sorted with that as well. So let's get into the browns and the pinks now. Okay. The next lipstick that I have is from L'Oreal Infallible range. This is their Worth It Medium 635. I've mentioned this a lot of times in my previous video as well, and also in my one of my shorts that I have mentioned how beautiful this looks on Indian skin tone. So these days I like to pair it with the Revlon lip liner. This is the Color Stay Long Wear lip liner in the shade Raisin. But I think these two go pretty well with each other. This lip liner is also very, very, very soft. Like just one line of it gives a strong color. It has good pigment to it. Mauve color, I would say. It's not pink. And this lipstick also, the Worth It Medium, is also a little bit on the mauve shade, I would say. It's not more on the, like, it has brown and mauve hints both together, if you ask me. Watch it for you. Sorry, I'm not habituated doing this, so This is the shade of the lipstick itself. So do you see how pretty it looks with the lip liner side by side? It matches so beautifully. Its lipstick gives a very good finish after it dries up. It gives that matte look. It's amazing. I don't know why I did not get this lip liner earlier, but these two colors look fantastic with each other, and the formulation of both is also very good. This is very buttery and this is also very, very nice on your lips. It's not very heavy. Even though when it dries up, it does not look cakey and does not enhance your lines. So yeah, I think it's a very good combination. This is the mauve shade that I have, and now the next two that I have are more on the pink and brown category. The next combination is from Miss Kylie Jenner. This is, I got it as a combo itself. So this is in the shade 620. So the lip liner and the lipstick both are in the same shade. This is matte liquid lipstick, I might add. And this lip liner is also so good. Trust me, I wouldn't recommend these lip liners if they weren't these good. So this is liner looks. This is how the color looks on the hand. So this is totally matte liquid lipstick. It dries on like full matte, but it looks so good on the lips. Trust me on this. So this is how the lipstick looks. Pinkish brown, as I said. So this on the, like in the bottle, it looks very different on the hand and it looks very different once it dries up on the lips. It is really amazing on the days when you like to be like total matte, but at the same time you want to give that bold look to your face. This is the lipstick you can go in with. Trust me on that, because it looks very, very pretty. And also I think it can be worn to professional events as well, like in the office meetings and all that, because it is not too out there, but at the same time it gives that look of very sophisticated look, you know. So yeah, it's really good. But yeah, one thing is that it's not comfortable on the lips as the L'Oreal one, I must add. But you know, it looks good. That's what you need, right? The next thing that I have is from Huda Beauty. I love what Huda does with her makeup and everything. It's the brand that I got influenced back in India. I got to know that this is a huge brand, Huda Beauty, that makeup stuff wasn't even a thing back then, for me at least. So I was like, oh wow, Huda Beauty, they have so many matte lipsticks. And I was indulging into lipstick at that time. And the first lipstick I got was from, I think, Maybelline. I think Maybelline, I got the red lipstick. I used to wear a lot of red lipstick, even though it used to not suit me. But okay, whatever. That's past. Then, you know what? I got influenced so much that I got a huge case from Amazon India. If someone who's watching from India, they might know there was huge case with all these kind of lipsticks in the box. I'm pretty sure they weren't the original Huda Beauty ones, they were the fake ones, but the shades were very similar to the original ones, I'm sure of that. So I could not afford like the original one at that time, even the single one, but the whole case was coming at the rate of one single lipstick, you know. I don't remember the exact amount how much I got it for, but I got all the lipsticks, all the shade. It has pinks, it has browns, and a lot of colors, okay, and nothing suited me except one shade, which is Bombshell, and that is the shade that I'm talking about today as well, because it's really good. Bombshell Pinky Brown. So I think it has another version of Bombshell as well, but Bombshell Pinky Brown is the one I'm referring to today. So I got it, I got this also as a combination like this with a lip liner and a lipstick. So this lip liner is also so good. Trust me, having a lip liner that is very buttery is very important, and it's like sharp and you can't glide it. You know, the feeling of applying a lip liner and a lipstick is gone. So always make sure you have a good lip liner. So let me just swatch it here. And this is how the lip liner looks. Just look at that. Pretty, so brown and so pinky. It's the right combination of pink and brown, if you ask me. This lip liner, I would say, is a little bit matte than the ones that I have swatched before. This is the most matte lip liner I have ever seen. It is soft, but it is matte. This is the lipstick. And this lipstick is very, very matte in nature. It smells really bad. Sorry, Huda Beauty. This smells really bad. I think you need to change that. But the formulation of this, when it settles down on your lips, it's amazing. Trust me, it is amazing. It looks so good. It looks like nude lipstick, but at the same time it has that pink color that comes up after it is matte. It looks so beautiful. So let me just swatch the lipstick right below. Sorry, I am not habituated doing this. So this is how it looks. I think I mixed up with the lip liner. Please ignore that. But you get the point, right? How beautiful this looks. You see the pink hint little bit that it shows right now. Once it dries up, it is a mix of pink and brown, and it's really amazing. It looks so beautiful on the lips. And what I like to do is to give that good festive touch. And nowadays it's a glossy era that's going on. So I like to add the Huda Beauty's faux filler lip oil. It's in the same shade Bombshell. So I just like to on top of the lipstick like this. It gives that good shine and very looks very pretty, and you know, it makes it comfortable because the matte lipstick is very drying. So adding this to your lips makes it more comfortable. Combining these three would give an amazing look, like the shiny brownie look on your face looks amazing. So you should give it a try. I've come to the last lipstick, and it is from Nykaa. So I love this lipstick a lot. Okay, I know this is only available in India. So Nykaa is like a very big brand in India. It's like an Amazon for beauty products. It's very, very famous lipstick back then. And even now, if you ask any Indian girl which Nykaa lipstick you like, they would definitely mention this Madras Kapi, because this brown is such an intense and the right amount of brown for Indian skin tones. I can't express it. So I like to pair it with the Charlotte Tilbury. This is a Pillow Talk 3 Intense Lip Liner. It's their lip crayon, I think, lip cheat something version. So this is very dark, okay? It's like intense color of Pillow Talk, right? Let me show it here. This is the strongest. You see that color, how dark it is. This is the darkest brown I have ever seen. If you ask me, it's almost near to like black, I would say, but it looks very good when it is paired with this lipstick, like an espresso brown color, if you know what I mean. I know this looks very like normal brown color, not that intense as the lip cheat. But I think these two go really good because two are like boldest colors, you know. So let me just swatch the lipstick for you. This is the lipstick. This is the lipstick. This is how the color looks. If you see it here, it might look very transparent, like, you know, it's not that pigmented or like that. But trust me, once you apply on your lips and once it dries up, it is the mattest lipstick you can ever see, and especially in the brown color. It's like a proper brown, you know, rustic brown color, which looks amazing on Indian skin tone. Have to just give it some time to let it dry. So let it dry, and it is like medium comfortable on the lips. It dries up total matte, but it looks amazing on the lips with the combination of this lip liner, because it makes it more bolder. I don't want the boldest lipstick, but only want like a normal brown rustic color, then you can just pair it with the Huda Beauty lip liner or any brown lip liner that you have with you and make it a little bit subtle. If you ask me, one suggest only one combination from all of these, then of course I would suggest the Huda Beauty combination. I have a separate love for this. I just can't pick anything else, but in brown category I would say Huda Beauty is the best you can ever wear any time of the year, any event, any party or anything. Just adding this gloss also makes it so festive and so good. Also, a red lip combo can never go wrong. So this and this are my ultimate favorite. Yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. I will mention everything in the description below. Make sure you check it out. And if you buy anything and you like it, make sure you come back to this video and comment down below that you liked it and you got it for yourself. It would mean a lot to me. I hope you watched till the end, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram as well. And I hope you have amazing holidays ahead and enjoy your Christmas and New Year and everything. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye till then.